It's tips and tricks with Tyler and Terry.
Wirtgen milling drum swap. What's up, Donnie?
Hey guys, looking at getting another drum for this machine. How easy to swap out the drums?
From what I've been told, it's easier than swapping out screed plates.
Okay.
Let me get the team together. Jeff, Tom, you guys ready to show us your skills?
I'll get the drum cart.
Quick question though. I'm getting the other drum off of the W210i. Am I able to use that?
Super easy, all it needs is an adapter plate.
Awesome.
Let's get started.
Let's do it.
Thanks for joining us here. We're here at the CTT, and boy, is it a hot one out there.
It is. You're gonna see some sweat pouring off these gentlemen.
Oh, and we're getting ready to watch them pull this drum out of this W210 FI. So, I mean, can you believe this? Look, he is actually starting the machine from the ground, Terry.
Yeah, that's a fantastic option. From the 210 FIs and up, it is a standard option. They can start and stop the machine from the ground. It's pretty amazing.
Man, Terry, look at that. How are they opening that drum door?
That's a great question, Tyler. They're actually using the 7-inch display. And on these machines, there's a 2-inch display that also comes with the machine, but they're showing the true versatility, operating everything from that 7-inch display.
And so the door's opening. I'm assuming that's a safety device that they're putting in there.
Yep. That's making sure that it doesn't accidentally slide in back on its own, some random erroneous hydraulic pressure.
Oh, yeah, interesting.
Yeah.
Look at the size of the wrench that they're using to take that nut out.
Yeah, it's an impressive wrench, and that's the only tool that they're gonna use this whole time to actually remove the drum. And it's the same wrench we'll use for the pusher bolt to actually pop the drum housing off of the gearbox there.
You know, that is very interesting. I have just noticed that. It looks like there is not a lot of tools used to do this. This is crazy.
Yep.
Ingenuity right there.
Ingenuity. Wirtgen is a generation ahead, I've heard.
Yeah, generations.
And you're seeing it right now.
The good thing they've got Tom there to help them pull that drum high. It looks kind of heavy.
Absolutely, Tyler. You need a strong back here or a forklift, but we're showing the strength of our product support reps right here and our sales reps. They can really get in there and get it in and get it out.
That's no joke.
Customers got to be, they have an additional challenge. When they put a drum on the drum cart, they'll have to align it in that area, and they can actually rotate the gearbox inside, move the machine forward and backwards, all from that 7-inch display.
Man, so they're having to get a running start right there to push that drum back up on the gearbox, huh?
Absolutely. They got to push it back over the gearbox in there, and there's 3 little holes that you can see from the outside edge. They're lineup holes. Once it gets up on there and they can actually push the locking bolt in and grab threads, it'll pull itself all the way tight.
So then what torques that bolt? I mean, please tell, we're not really using the drum turning device.
Yep, we're using the drum turning device. We're going to use that same wrench on the bolt, and the belt drive will turn the gearbox, and the Germans have thought of everything. It'll actually torque that bolt down to the proper torque all on its own.
No joke.
Push of a button, my friend. Well, actually, let me take that back. It's the hold of a button.
No kidding. So now they're closing the door, and again, yet we're not having to use any tools. It's just going to clamp itself back shut.
Yep, absolutely. After the locks engage and pull that door shut, Jeff will actually run the cylinder that's pushing the door out and give it a last little clamp on the back side of that.
Well, it looks like they're done. It looks simpler than actually changing screed plates.
You're doing great, team. You're doing great.
Good job.
All right, Donnie, we're all done. What'd you think? Man, that was a lot better than I thought. I appreciate it.
No problem. Give us a call if you need anything.
Will do. Thank you.